Hello friends, today I will explain how we solve Laplace equation using Gauss Seidal method. It's a totally numerical approximation technique and very useful and so much easy. So the given question is solve the elliptic equation. Elliptic equation means which is Laplace equation, because b square minus 4ac value is less than 0 for the square mesh with the given boundary value boundaries which is given here. See, here we have to calculate the interior mesh values. Which one? u1, u2, u3, u4, u5, u6, u7, u8, u9, because the exterior mesh values on boundary they given. So what values we have to calculate? These 9 values. Now see, one very important thing. Here I divided the questions into 2 parts. First part is when we have boundary values symmetrical about the lines. See, here boundary values are symmetrical about the lines AB as well as CD. Because 500, 500, 1000, 1000, 500, 500, 0, 0. Similarly, 1000 to 1000, 2000 to 2000 and 1000 to 1000. So, there are 2 types. When symmetry is there and when symmetry is not there. So, both types we will try to solve here one by one. Maybe in first lecture I will explain this one. In second lecture of same topic I will explain second type when symmetry is not there. But because here is symmetry, so as there is symmetry, about the line AB as well as CD. So it means AB like this one. So whatever U1 value is there, U1 same. So U1 is equal to U7, and because it's a symmetry, so U1 is equal to U3 and U7 is equal to U9. So these all 4 values no need to calculate, only one value is sufficient. Okay. Similarly, U2 is equal to U8 and so 4 to 6 remaining 3 values means which one? So U5 we have to calculate. So U2 is equal to U8 and U3 is equal to U9. Okay. And U1 is equal to U3. U4 is equal to U6. U4 is equal to U6. And U5 we have to calculate. So these are the symmetrical values. So it means we have to calculate what? Only 4 values, because out of these 4 only one U1 is sufficient to calculate, then U2, then U4 and U5. These 4 values once you calculate, remaining all value easily you come to know because both all are equal. So only these 4 values we have to calculate. Now the question is how we calculate these 4 values. That's so much easy. So but order always important. So here only thing is you have to take care order. So what you calculate? You calculate. So now follow the order. Order you have to follow. First, which one? U5. Which U5 means this one. Because here we have 2 formula to calculate value. One is called standard 5-point formula and second is called diagonal formula. What is standard formula? Standard formula means, suppose for u1, what is standard formula? I will tell. Standard formula means if you are taking this value to calculate, then write this one plus this one divided by 4. So if you want to calculate this value, so in standard formula, 5-point formula, what we have to calculate? We have to calculate this value. This value means no need to calculate. Suppose this is uij. So what is this value? Ui plus 1 comma j. This is ui minus 1 comma j. This is ui comma j plus 1. This is ui j minus 1. So what is uij value? 1 by 4 of sum of this all. Ui comma j plus 1 plus ui minus 1 comma j plus ui plus 1 comma j plus ui comma j minus 1. In simple way, if you want to calculate this value, so see what value is there in left, what is in right, what is in top, what is in down. So add all these 4 values and divide by 4. This is a standard 5-point formula. And what in diagonal? In diagonal 5-point formula, suppose we want to calculate u5. So u5, see, u5 always calculate by standard 5-point formula. And what is the boundary value? Here not we see neighboring, just see boundary values. What boundaries we have? What is u5? 1 by 4 of u5. What is boundary? 1000, down 1000, left 2000, right 2000. So it is 1000 plus 1000 plus 2000 plus 2000. Always follow same. How much? 1500. So always remember, for u5 just calculate boundaries, add all and divide by 4. Correct? After u5 calculate u1. Now see, u5 we know. Now we have to calculate u1. So which one use? Diagonal means, see, this value, this value, this value, this value. These are diagonal elements. So use which one better? Diagonal, because u5 we know, 1000 you know, this is 0, this is 2000. So just calculate by diagonal. So both formula you can use. Which one is easy to for you? Calculate by that. So see, for u1 we know all diagonal values. So we go for diagonal. Diagonal means 0 plus 1000 plus u5. u5 values how much? 1500 plus 2000. How much? 1125. Once you know u1, then go for u2. This is u1 0, correct? u5 0, 0. So initial value. So what is u2? u2 one, which one better? See, we know this value, we know this one, we know this one, correct? We know u1. See, yeah. So u5 we know, So what we have 1 by 4. What is U2 means 1000 top value, down value U5 came how much? 1500. U1 value already we calculated, and you know in Gauss Seidal we have to always use updated values. So what is U1 value? 1125. Once you know U1, what is U3? Same. So this is initial value. So how much? What do I wanted? How much it will come? What about the last one? U4 0. U4 0 means this one 2000 plus this one plus U1 plus U7. Okay. So 2000 plus U2 U5 value is how much? 1500 plus 1125 U1 value, and it is same U7 1125. So how much it will come? One 4 37 138 we can say. Approximate value we put because it's a lengthy, so decimal points we remove, nothing matters here because we are going for approximation. So these all 4 values we calculated. This is your first step only. So in first step, how we calculate value, it's very simple. Actually in every step it's simple. You have 2 formulas. Either you use a standard 5-point formula or diagonal formula. Diagonal formula we use when we know about the diagonal values. Then we go for diagonal. If we know standard values, means neighboring values, then we go for standard 5-point formula. And for U5, always go for standard 5-point formula, that's all. This is always do for every question if symmetry is there. Okay. Now initial values we got. Now we write iteration formula. Here just little bit you have to take care, otherwise it's easy. For U1 n plus 1. Now once you calculated initial value, leave order, nothing matter, go for one by one. U1, U2, U4, U5, that's all. So what is U1 n plus 1? So see, for u1 n plus 1, what value is required? Neighboring value is 1000 plus 5500 plus u4. Whatever here will come, put in n. u4 n because we don't know. One always less, and u2 n. This is u1 n plus 1. See, always u1 n plus 1 means what? We know its previous values only. Whatever unknowns are there, same like in Gauss Seidal, we know its previous values only. Here we don't have updated value. And remember, I will tell in when I will calculate next value. What is about here 1 by 4? What is u2 n plus 1? It is 1 by 4. u2n. So u1 already updated values here, correct? Already we calculated in first. So we have u1 n plus 1 values plus u3. u3 means u1 only. But here we can't use update value. That is the important point which I want to tell. Here we use not updated value u3 because we are writing here u3 and u3 value same previous one only u3n. Then this one over, this one over. What is next? 1000 plus u5n. This is u2n plus 1 values. What is u4n plus 1? u4 this one. So u4 means 1 by 4 u1 n plus 1 plus 2000 plus u7. u7 means u1, but we use only n and u5 and u5 n because we not update, we don't have updated value. Then u5 n plus 1. u5 n plus 1 is what? u2 plus u8. u8 means u2n value only plus u4 n plus 1 plus u4n. This is the iteration formula which is important. So this is iteration formula which play very important role because after this nothing is there, just you have to calculate the values. See, for n is equal to 0, once you return that one, then what is your u1? 1 by 4 1000 plus 500 plus u4 0 plus u2 0. Correct? Now you have values. Just put values and calculate. This is 1500. What is u4 0? u4 0 already we calculated 1438 plus what is u2 0? 1188. So whatever will come, that is your u1 1. Now what is your u2 1? This is 1 by 4. u1 1. Okay, plus u1 0 plus 1000 plus U50. Correct? Now put the value. What is U11? Whatever value will come here. And U11 will come 1032. I will write the answer. 1032. It's easy for you. What is U10? U10 already we calculated 1125 plus 1000 plus what is U50? That is 1500. Calculate the values. It will come. What is U21 will come? 1141. After calculating U21, go for U41. What is U41? Just you have to put the values now. It's so much easy. What is U41? U11 plus 2000 plus U10 plus U50. Just put the values and calculate. 1 by 4. U11 how much? 1032. 2000 plus U10 how much? 1125 plus U50 how much? 1500. Just calculate value, that is your U41. And what about U51? U51 means U21 plus U20 plus U41 plus U40. Just put the value, you will get the answer. All values you have. So in that way you calculated for first iteration. Similarly, now go for n is equal to 2. Then go for n is equal to 3. Because all previous value you have, so easily you can calculate. So it's just method of calculation. What will come? U4. One will come 1391. What will come U51? U51 will come 1266. So now this value you have all first order. Then go for n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2 means for n is equal to 1. N is equal to 0, 1. So we calculate U12. U12 is how much? 1 by 4, 1000 plus 500 plus U41, which already you calculated, plus U21. So put the values, calculate, similarly calculate U22, U42, U52. Just, it's a matter of calculation only. So just put the values and calculate. What is U22? 1 by 4. U1 2 plus U1 1 plus 1000 plus U51. All values you have. U1 2 you have, you already calculated from where? U1 1 you have, U51 you have. What is U42? U42 is 1 by 4. U1 2 plus 2000 plus U1 1 plus U51. Just put the value. What is U52? Just put the values and calculate. Once you have second iteration, then go for third iteration and so on. So it means work is just based on 2 steps. Rest all steps are easy. So which type we solve? First type we solve where symmetry is there about the line AB and CD. Then because we have to calculate interior 9 mesh values, it reduces into how much? 4 only. Because U1 is equal to U7, U1 is equal to U3, U7 is equal to U9. It means all 4 combined together and one value only required. Then U4 is equal to U6 and U5 alone, and U2 is equal to 8 into 8. So it's easy for you. It means only 4 values you have to calculate. So in first step, means for iteration purpose, initial value, how we calculate? We follow the order. So in that order, U5 you have to calculate first, and using what? Standard 5-point formula, but use boundary values only. So 1000 plus 1000 plus 2000 plus 2000 divided by 4, that is U5. Once you know U5, what is U1? U1 means go for standard 5-point or diagonal formula. What diagonal? 0. U1, how we calculate? 0 plus U5 plus 1000 plus 2000 divided by 4. Then once you know U1, calculate U2. By which one? U2 means this value plus this value plus this value plus this value. Because U5 you know, U1 you know, U1 you know, it means U3 you know. So easily you can calculate U2. Once you calculate U2, then calculate what? U4, this value. This value means this value you know, this value you know, because both are symmetrical. This value plus this value divided by 4. Once you know initial value, write the iteration value, and when you are writing iteration value, always think about, put in mind or keep in mind which one? Gauss Seidal method, and then you apply and write the iteration formula. Iteration formula for U1. U1 means 1000 plus 500 plus U2n plus U4n. Correct? Now U1 updated value we know. So when you go for U2, so U1 updated value plus 1000 plus U5, we don't know updated value, so U5n plus U3. Here we can't write U1 updated value because we know updated value for U1, not for U3. So U3, when you write, you can write U1, but n only. Okay? Similarly, when you calculate for U4, U4 means what you write? 2000 plus U5n, U1 updated value, U7. Actually, U7 is equal to U1. But U7 we don't know, so we will write U7 means what? U1 previous value, U1n. And then write U5. Once you write it, then take n value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and do it. So this is the method how we solve Laplace equation using Gauss Seidal process. So it's so much easy, and hope you understand. Once you understand, it's fine. If again any doubt is there, please feel free. Okay, thanks.